When you first started, your first deals were actually bad, not good. What are some things you did to give yourself that self-talk to stay positive and stay in the fight when it seemed like maybe things weren't going to work out as you initially planned?
Everything starts because we don't know what to expect, and our expectations are probably very, very, very unrealistic, and they're not clear. At the end of the day, you're going to end up making a lot of mistakes because you have not learned what's a proper bar, what's a proper A game that you gotta set for yourself and for your business. But it's very important that you seek out for some sort of mentorship or some sort of validation from an external party, an external person that has done what you already want to do. Going to mentors, seeing what your competitor have done really well. But this is a collaboration game.